Wow. She has added some weight in the right places. I love it. How come I didn't notice all this while? Dissolve! What if I grab her now? No. I have to control myself.
Hello, my guy. You better grab ways now where you don't see your more, cause it will be too late very soon. Oh, my country people, how on a day? I don't bring another Wengen news come from Domot again. This is another version of Sonia Uche and Maurice. For this particular one, they play stubborn couples. Maurice is in love with Sonia Uche, but because say Sonia Uche they misbehave, my man won't control himself. We no one showcase say he too love the girl, and the girl in the other hand, Wahara Queen. My girl want the man to grab her, but the man is not giving her the attention she deserves. Hello, make I play the video, make una watch before I continue.
What if I grab her now? No. I have to control myself.
What is going on? Is it that he's not appreciating what he's saying? Usually, if I wear something like this, he would pounce on me.
And what are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? I want to watch something different.
Is that why you're blocking everywhere with your body? Can't you see that I was watching it?
But can't you see that I just changed it because I want to watch it? No way, something is wrong. The Bob I know would definitely grab me under normal condition. Oh my goodness.
Oh, we need to talk.
Okay.
I've decided that we need to start sharing bills in this house. Light bills, refuse disposal bills, water bills, estate security bills. Oh, and Barker's salary. We need to split that and his feeding. Okay?
Okay.
And one more thing.
Sorry. Hi. You're outside my house? Okay. I'm coming to see you now. Neighbor, I'm so sorry. Someone is outside to see me, so I just need to step out.
Where do you think you're going to?
What do you mean, where am I going to? You just heard someone call me on the phone. I need to see him outside.
You need to see him outside dressed like this, with this short mini skirt. Huh?
How am I dressed?
How are you dressed? You want to go and see someone outside, a man, dressed like this, wearing this short mini skirt and exposing your body like that.
What's wrong with what I'm wearing?
What's wrong with what you're wearing? Huh? My friend, go upstairs. Go upstairs and change.
I don't understand.
Don't you know that you're somebody's wife? Don't you know that you're a woman? Okay. Huh? As a woman, you need to dress decently. How can you go and see somebody, a man outside like this, exposing your thighs, your belly, wearing this thing that your thighs are showing? Can't you see your thighs showing? You want to go and see a man like this? Come and pass now. Come and pass. Go upstairs and change. And since when did you start walking like that? Throwing your hips and waist around everywhere?
My people, I learned a lot from this particular video. The sad truth be say so many people out there they live like this. To them, there is no love in the marriage again. They just say they live together because of waiting society go talk. If them here say they don't divorce, some self don't they split bills, they live like neighbors for inside one house, just like this video now. Life is too short to be living in agony. If your marriage no work, no use because of society still stuck in it. Cause if you buy tomorrow, nobody go care. Oh. If your marriage no work, it's better you walk out from it. Who knows, you will see your rightful person out there. I beg. That is my own to you guys. Okay guys, stay safe out there. It's still your one and only amiable girl Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. They give me one kind encouragement to continue. Please click the link on my bio. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg. Stay safe out.